Right, I'm going to have a look over there so I can see some lights over there. Oh. I'm not sure if you could pick me up, guys. I'm just whispering. I can see some lights over here. I want to have a look. Have a look. Oh, let's not twist my ankle. Yeah, I just had to have a look. It's just someone with a head torch. It's probably the owner. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I get up at 5 in the morning. The moon's on the left. There we go, nice audio test off the cuff. Right, gonna go for a wee and then I'm gonna start the cooking. I need to go to bed. Please like, comment, subscribe, see you in another video. Bye.